Have you ever wondered why clownfish are so important to our world's marine ecosystems? Let's dive into the fascinating symbiotic relationship between clownfish and sea anemones. These two species coexist in a mutually beneficial arrangement. The clownfish finds a safe haven within the stinging tentacles of the sea anemone, while the anemone gets protection from its predators, thanks to the clownfish's aggressive demeanor. But that's not all. The clownfish plays an active role in the anemone's health and growth. The clownfish's constant movement helps to circulate water and oxygen around the anemone, aiding in its respiration and nutrient absorption. So, when we talk about the importance of clownfish, it's not just about their vivid colors or their fame from animated movies. It's about the crucial role they play in maintaining the balance of the ocean's ecosystem. So the survival of clownfish is not just about preserving a colorful species, it's about maintaining a crucial balance in the ocean's ecosystem. Now, let's dive deeper into the aquatic world and explore the importance of coral reefs. Picture a bustling city teeming with life. That's what coral reefs are to the ocean's inhabitants. They serve as nurseries to a quarter of the ocean's fish, including our star, the clownfish. They are the cradle of life, providing food, shelter, and a thriving ecosystem that supports a myriad of marine species. But it's not just the underwater citizens that benefit. Coral reefs are the ocean's shield, standing at the front line, protecting our coastlines from the destructive power of storms and erosion. They absorb the brunt of the waves, reducing their impact and thus preventing millions of dollars in coastal damage. Coral reefs are the unsung heroes of our planet. They're not just beautiful underwater landscapes that we marvel at during our snorkeling trips. As you can see, coral reefs are not just beautiful underwater landscapes, they are vital lifelines for numerous marine creatures and even us. It's a harsh reality, but clownfish and coral reefs are in danger. But what are the threats they face? Firstly, climate change is a significant threat. Increasing temperatures cause coral bleaching, which weakens the reefs and leaves them vulnerable to disease. This in turn affects the clownfish that depend on these reefs for survival. Secondly, ocean acidification is a silent killer. When our seas absorb carbon dioxide, it reacts with seawater to create acid. This acid lowers the water's pH, making it difficult for corals to build their calcium carbonate skeletons, which are essential for reef growth and repair. Thirdly, pollution from land-based sources like agricultural runoff and sewage can suffocate corals. This pollution also disrupts the delicate balance between clownfish and their sea anemone partners. Lastly, overfishing poses a significant threat. By removing key species from the ecosystem, it disrupts the food chain and affects the survival of both clownfish and coral reefs. The threats are real and immediate, but it's not too late to take action. We've explored the importance of clownfish and coral reefs and the threats they face. But what can we do to help? Well, there are many ways, big and small, where we can contribute to conservation efforts. Firstly, we can support sustainable fisheries. By choosing seafood carefully, we can encourage practices that don't harm clownfish or their habitats. Look for labels that indicate sustainable fishing methods. Secondly, we can reduce our carbon footprint. Carbon dioxide emissions contribute to ocean acidification, which harms coral reefs. By driving less, recycling more, and using renewable energy, we can limit our impact. Lastly, we can advocate for marine protected areas. These are zones where human activities are regulated to protect marine life. By supporting these areas, we can provide safe havens for clownfish and other species. Remember, small actions can lead to big changes. Every action counts. Your choices can make a difference in the survival of clownfish and the health of coral reefs.